Well, good morning. It is day 9 and my final day in the Smokies. Can you believe it? I was able to get a bed for tonight, and it's very ironic because it was raining on the day I came in, and minus the weather in between, which I was not in here, it's raining on my day out. But I am just about, I don't know, a little under a mile to Mount Camerary. I think that's how you say it, which is my final ascent in the Smokies for the most part. And it'll be down, 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 down for a long time. And I'm hoping that I can move at a decent pace. And whoops, sorry, a step down here. And after my little spill yesterday, I don't want to do that again. Yeah, I just, right now I'm on the little level spot right before it's gonna be the final push up to the top. And I am not gonna go up to the top off the side trail. After my spill yesterday, my knee's a little bruised up and it's a little sore. So I am not gonna push it. And I don't know how much it's gonna rain today. If it's steady, the trail going down, it's going to take me a little bit longer than that, but yes. So it took me 9 days to get in and out of the Smokies. Sorry, 9 days to get in and out of the Smokies, and of course a couple of those were short days. My first day, and then my first day back at Newfound Gap. But is it doable in 7? Yeah, you could do it in 7. I pushed one 13-mile day. The rest were like 8, 9, and 10s. But I'm kind of rambling right now. But yes, I'm on a ridge line. It is mostly sucked in. I am hiking above the clouds right now. But yeah, so happy day 9. The Smokies will be behind me. I'm super excited. And I forgot, like, I have less than 2,000 miles to Katahdin. Whoop, whoop. I don't know the exact number, but it's less than 2,000. I don't know. All perspective and how you're like, is that good or long way to go still? All right, y'all. You know, it's funny because we always think of like, oh, blue skies and sunshine, but man, look at the wave goodbye the Smokies are giving me. To me, sometimes this is almost more beautiful. Just walking in a cloud right now. Have you ever walked through a cloud? Well, if you haven't, let me take you on a short walk through a cloud.
I never thought I'd be seeing something like this. Woohoo! Wow! Every day. So worth it. So worth it. Oh. It's windy. I'm gonna go in here, have a lunch break. I'm so excited. Woo!
I don't know what that is. I can't see it. Obviously a bird. That's wild. See up in there? All up in there? I just hiked that down that. All down. Still more down to go. Here it is. It's official. I finished the Smoky Mountains. It's done. So it's official. I'm done at the Smoky Mountains. And it was a crappy day. I am soaked through. At least it's not a cold day, but I am soaked and the trail is muddy. And I have this rain skirt that I bought that I actually really liked in the beginning. The problem is that when you wear a pack and a raincoat, it keeps riding up in the back. So it started riding up in the back, and then water poured down my rear end. So the last 2 miles of the Smoky Mountains, I will be remembering as I was like walking in a wet diaper for like 2 miles. But it's done. And on to the next part. Thank y'all for following. Bye, Smoky Mountains. I will come visit you again for sure. Now, we dropped our permit in the box, and we're gonna go up these stairs, and I have 1.6 miles, and I'm gonna get picked up for a hot shower and a bed tonight. Wonder how many power lines the AT goes under, if anybody knows. Always crazy. But do you hear all that noise? That is I-40. Oh my, that is loud. Ooh. But look at this little blaze. I know it's kind of graffiti, but there's nothing wrong with a little smile here and there in life. Look how pretty that is. See, go this way, this way, this way. Hi, beautiful flowing spring creek. And this would be the definition of why I am a slow hiker, because I walk past something like this and I have to stop. Look how pretty this is right now. It's not raining anymore. And these little, all these little flowers, there's little white ones. See if I can get them. The little white ones, I don't know the names of all of these. And the little purple ones that are popped up. Oh, and there's some more trilliums. Now I know what those are called. Yeah, the smell in here is like fantastic. It's beautiful in here right now. Yeah, the smell in here is absolutely beautiful. Who needs a playlist? There's a baby one. Look at that. Beautiful. And just a tad terrifying all at the same time. On wet rocks after the rain today. But man, that's stunning. I don't know if you can hear that behind me. That like... See this massive rock. See that? Massive rock. And I think that sound is the water echoing off of the rocks. But it sounds like a rushing sound. I hope you can hear that. Pretty wild right there. Okay, so before I forget to film where I'm at, I am at the Discerning Hiker. And they've been here for about 3 years, not too far from Newport, Tennessee. So I actually got picked up today at the Pigeon Forge Bridge. So when you're coming out of the Smokies, they can pick you up there. And it's beautiful property, includes a trip into town. We went and had hibachi and went to Walmart. And it's a beautiful cabin. I just had to make sure that I took a few minutes to show you everything that they have. So I was able to clean all the dirt off my shoes there. Your trekking poles go there. I'm not gonna go up in the loft. Gunner's staying up there. There's a loft up there. And full kitchen. Breakfast is included. Ken does keep some things like pizzas, Gatorade, sodas, and stuff like that. You need Ziploc bags. He's got a small amount of things. Coffee, hot tea, hot chocolate cider is all included. But, I mean, just look how beautiful this cabin is. Let's see. Hiker box over here. There's not much in it right now. It's a guitar, but there's the loft up there. And like I said, I'm not going to take you up there because that is not my room. I will show you my room. There are 1.5 bathrooms. You have full laundry, which included. Then you have a half bath in here. There is another full bath in there with a shower and a tub. And this is my room. So just very nice. I've got plenty of hooks to hang things up, especially because all my gear was wet today. So I've been able to throw everything in the dryer and let it dry out. You get a table in your room for your gear explosion. I have a stool next to my bed so I can get up into that high bed. But yes, there I am on the board. Oops. There we go. If there's anybody on there that you recognize that has been here. Yeah, so super nice. Everything that you need. And like I said, breakfast in the morning.
Hey, there was probably 100 people over there drinking beer and eating hog.
Definitely think I got a good day for 0 today. I wanted to make sure that I got video of the main bathroom. So this is the main bathroom, shower stall, big, giant, lovely tub. And there's bathrobes if you want while you're waiting for your laundry. And there's from up on top of the loft. Stairs, and then you have 3 beds up here. I think that's where Gunner was slept last night. And so, I mean, 3 beds, plenty of space. Plenty of space between each of them. You're not right on top of each other. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful stay. So you have the 3 bunks, or 3 beds up here, and then the private room downstairs.